Welcome back to Food with Chetna, another episode of Cook the Book, and I have chosen Ripe Figs. I might have made something from this before by Yasmin Khan. Absolutely love this book, and I am entertaining. I've got friends coming and I wanted a really nice dip, so I'm making spicy red pepper and walnut smash. And it's super simple. I've got all the ingredients at home, which is great, and I'm going to get cracking. I'm going to leave the details of the book Ripe Figs and Yasmin Khan in the description below so you guys can check it out. So the book I've chosen is Yasmin Khan's Ripe Figs, and the recipe that I would like to try is the spicy red pepper and walnut smash. And this is a lovely book. I've tried something from it before, but today I want to dip and I am going to try the red pepper smash. So 3 peppers, chop them up in half, take out the seeds and place them on a baking tray. So just a drizzle of olive oil on the peppers, just brush them well, and I've got the oven at 200°C, really nice and hot, and this is going to go in for half an hour. So I left them in for a bit more than 30 minutes, so around 40 minutes. And look how lovely charred they are. What I am going to do is transfer it to a bowl. It's really nice and soft, but I need to peel the skin and it is too hot for that right now. So I'm just going to leave it in this bowl and cover it and come back to it once it's cooled down. It'll be much easier to peel the skin off then. It's been sitting like this for half an hour. It's completely cooled down. It's really soft, and then just peel the skins off and it should be really simple. So I've got lots going on in the kitchen. There's stuff everywhere. There's a cake sitting right here. You can watch the recipes for this other stuff on the channel because I've shared it all. So first things, I'm going to blitz the walnuts. I'm just going to save a handful, just a small amount, because I'm going to chop it and sprinkle on top of the dish. So I'm just going to blitz this first. That is around 100 grams of walnuts in total. That is done. I'm going to again keep a small amount of pepper on the side for topping it up, and I'm just going to put the rest in with the kind of blitzed up walnuts. So, and then give it a blitz as well. Right, it's lovely. So all of it comes out in a bowl. Smells so good, like so smoky and lovely, obviously because we've roasted the peppers. Give it a mix. So I'm going to add 1 garlic clove, just smash it and just chop up the smashed up piece into our dip. Next goes in pomegranate molasses. It's just reduced pomegranate juice, and I'm going to add, how much does it say? 3 tablespoons. Ooh, it's going to be so good. 3 tablespoons of the pomegranate molasses. Now we need that acidity, so 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of Aleppo pepper. It's a lovely pepper, mild. Some black pepper and a little bit of salt to taste. And then all that's left to do is mix. And then just mix it all up. Look at that. How beautiful. So the leftover peppers that I have, I'm just going to finely chop these So you get like a little bite when you're eating the dip. So you get little, not bite, but little pieces. So it's all not, everything's a mush. I'm going to add in there. And also the walnuts that I kept on the side, I'm just going to chop these up as well and add it to the going to add a little bit and leave a little bit for dressing. And before I put it on the plate, just going to oh my god, I can eat a oh wow, that is amazing. Oh, so much going on, beautiful. I'm going to plate this up. Going to get some pomegranate seeds out. Oh, such a deep color. Right, so I'm just going to plate this dip up. Just going to plate a bit up, kind of make like a swirly well. And I know the color might not look very appetizing, I agree, but it tastes fantastic. Some walnuts on top, which is why I reserved some of them to finish and make it look really nice. Also some chopped up parsley leaves to add that lovely color. Ooh, now it's coming together beautifully. And then some pomegranate seeds. Look at that. That as part of your kind of meze style meal would be just so amazing. And to serve with this, I am making my 5-minute flatbreads. I have made the dough here and I'm just going to roll them out, and my friends can just tear some flatbread, scoop this out. I've got some hummus as well, and the whole thing would be lovely. Hope you will give this a go. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon with another new recipe. So that's the dips done. I have got here some coriander and lemon hummus, which I love. This is the roasted pepper and walnut smash, and this is just some yogurt with cumin and some olive oil and lemon juice. And I've just put the plates here for when the food, I'm gonna bring it out hot. I'm just putting some parsley leaves to place my beanie fritters. And I'm just making these quick flatbreads. Recipe is on the channel. They are super easy to make, so simple. They puff up nicely, and I'm just going to coat them in za'atar spice. So that's the flatbreads done. I'm finishing them with some nice olive oil and some za'atar, and they're nice and ready. And these flatbreads will go perfectly with this pepper and walnut dip. I hope you guys will enjoy it.